Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a very common known myth about meditation as a beginner. So, when most of us try to meditate for the first time, we are asked to focus. A lot of my friends have asked me this, a lot of my friends struggle with this. You can never focus as a beginner because your mind is not habituated to just focusing on one thing. Our mind is filled with all the materialistic thing around. Everything around bothers us, so we are not that experienced or pro, what you call, in focusing on just one thing. And even if you think for a minute, you're not able to focus on just one thing, which is very difficult for most of us right now. There are different types of meditation. This is the breathing meditation, breathing technique. There's also music meditation where you can listen to the sounds of nature or any other spiritual music for meditation. It is extremely natural for your focus to shift somewhere else immediately, or maybe after some seconds, after some minutes, and you'll just start wandering there. What is the solution to this? So, when I started meditating, I want to talk about my experience. The same thing happened. I tried to focus on the breathing and everything, but then my mind is somewhere else. My mind is somewhere in my work, or my mind is somewhere in a conversation I had with a friend. So I'm never able to focus. So when I had a wandering mind, when I had a different thought about the outside world, I thought of it as a cloud. Okay, the cloud just popped up on my head, and it's passing by, passing by, passing by. During this entire time it's passing by, I'm thinking about it. And then when I'm just imagining the cloud has passed, I again focus myself back to the breathing. I kept on focusing my shift from the material or the outside world back to myself. I thought about it, again I came back. I thought about it, again I came back. I realized that since I'm coming back to the breathing again and again, this is more important. That isn't. That developed into a habit. My mind understood what is important. So I started focusing here, in me, within me. The thoughts keep on coming. I think about that and I say, just leave. You're supposed to leave. Then I come back here. So, in this way, it also creates a habit for you generally in life. How? When you are worried, focused about the things which are happening outside, about other relations, about negative things, you tend to come back to your own self and realize this is all temporary. All of this is temporary. What is original is my soul. I have to come back here, and this is what matters. This is what me matters, not all of this. Meditation helps in developing this kind of thoughts, this habit. So, as a beginner, when you're trying to meditate, never focus as a beginner, because if you force yourself to focus on something, you can never focus. So let your mind wander, set your mind free, let yourself, your mind, your soul, your heart, everything decide which is more important, the world outside, which is out of your head, or the world inside. So, yes, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope I'm able to give you some kind of value. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And thank you so much. Have a good day.